Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel Tech World, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log into a Roadrunner email account. So follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you, but before that, if you guys are new to our channel Tech World, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, that notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. Now let's move on with today's video. First step, you want to search for Roadrunner email. So Roadrunner email is going to show you Spectrum. So Roadrunner and Spectrum is the same thing. In the past it was known as Roadrunner, but now it's known as Spectrum. So the company has to name Roadrunner and Spectrum, but mainly the main name is used as Spectrum, right, and Roadrunner is used as the secondary name. So you can click on Spectrum, Webmail Login TWC, and Roadrunner, our email, and it's going to bring you over here on Spectrum over here. So don't get confused, Spectrum and Roadrunner, same thing. Alright. Let's assign him to webmail over here. You need to enter your email address. Once you enter your email address over here, whichever email address you have, so I'm writing a random email over here, but you need to write your own email, right, and you need to write the password of your account over here as well. And click on I'm not a robot to verify you're not a robot. So once you get this tick mark, basically the website you don't address that you're a human, you're not a bot. Alright, once you get this tick mark, click on sign in. And if the email and password you entered is correct, you should be able to log into your Roadrunner account. I mean your Roadrunner email account, alright. And if you tick mark this, remember email address, what this is going to do is every single time it comes to Spectrum, it's going to automatically enter your email, and you just have to enter your password in order to log into your account. You don't have to enter your email again and again, alright. You can just remember your passport and it's good to go. And if you want to recover your email's password because you forgot it, you can click on Forgot Email Passport in order to recover email address passport. And if you forgot your email address itself, you can click on Forgot Email Address in order to recover your email address as well. So yeah, that's basically how we guys can do it. So hope you guys understand, and if you guys did, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel Tech World. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then, and have a nice day and peace out.